In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your email in Odoo. Updating your email address in Odoo is an important housekeeping task. It makes sure you receive notifications, password reset links, and any system messages at the right place. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the process step by step so you can confidently change your email in just a couple of minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. This might be your initials, a small user avatar, or a profile picture if you've added one. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small drop-down menu that gives you quick access to your personal settings. From this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled My Preferences. This is where Odoo stores all of your personal information and user-specific settings. Click on My Preferences to open your profile page. It may take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see different fields related to your account, including your name, language, time zone, and of course, your email address. Now, locate the email field on this page. This is the address Odoo currently uses to communicate with you. Click directly inside that email field to begin editing. Carefully delete the old email address and type in your new email. Take a moment to double check the spelling, especially if your email contains dots, underscores, or numbers. Any typo here can prevent you from receiving important messages. Once you're sure the new email is correct, you need to save the change. Look toward the bottom or the top of the page for the Update Preferences button. This button confirms and applies all the changes you've made to your profile. Click on Update Preferences. After clicking, Odoo will save your updated details. In many setups, your new email will start being used immediately. In some organizations, you might also receive a confirmation or verification email at the new address, so keep an eye on your inbox and follow any instructions you receive there. And that's all you need to do. By clicking your profile icon, opening My Preferences, editing the email field, and then selecting Update Preferences, you've successfully updated your email